Instagram is a social network that allows users to upload photos, videos, images and share them with your friends, followers or to the general public. This social network has more than 800 million users, generates around 80 million daily photos, being an attractive tool to enhance your brand. Establish clear objectives. Share the news of your company and encourage the participation of your customers, allowing your Instagram to be captivating in view of those people you have not yet reached. Remember that the Instagram profile is the image you want to project for your company or brand. This is why you must include your data, a contact number and email. A photo that is striking and of good quality and says more than 1,000 words. It is important that you make a list of the hashtags that you will use within your image or photo, according to the sector of the business that you have, since this will increase the possibility that you appear in the search engine of possible new followers. Do you want to highlight a publication? In the box to promote, you can highlight the desired image, connecting more people. Using Instagram stories is the concept of creating marketing in real time temporarily, since it takes 24 hours to disappear. Here you can capture news or moments that are not so prominent, but will allow you to feed your page, showing your product or service. Now, Instagram has statistics on interactions and visits on your profile. It's enough to transform your personal profile to company, and you will obtain information that will be important, since you will be able to know if the content that you are implementing in this social network has generated a significant impact. In addition, these will be reflected in detail, the details of the public that displays your Instagram. These are the recommendations with which you can grow your account and highlight your brand.